Clear prop. Here comes the run-up.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at this fuel drain. It was stained all around it, and we noticed here at the bottom, this rivet is a pop rivet. This one's a proper rivet at the top, but we still got a little bit of fuel. Even though we've drained the tank, there's still a little residual floating around. So what we've done is we've taken Scotch-Brite and we've completely cleaned the surface of this to get all the debris off of the ring around where the fuel drain, flush drain goes, where the O-ring is going to seal. Sorry, under low that in my eyes. That burns. But anyway, so we've got that all clean. And then what we did was we pulled the old one out. Let's get it here in the light and let's get a look at it. So here's the old fuel drain. And what we noticed was we had a nick right here on the right-hand side in the O-ring, and then 180 degrees around we had a tear in the O-ring. That's why it was leaking. So we've cleaned up the fitting up here at the top. We've got it all nice and clean and shiny. Now we're going to get a real small pick and we're just going to examine what this is, but then we're going to be putting in a new flush mount drain. So that should be all that this one needs, and we can call the customer and tell him he can come have his fine airplane for use. But anyway, when you have leaks around these fuel drains, it's one of three things. It's delamination, very rare. One of these rivets have gone bad, most likely, and then every once in a while you find out that the O-ring has gone bad and you just want to replace it with a new flush mount. So we hope you found this useful and informative. We'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching. And so here's the new fuel drain, all in the wing, all nice and torqued and clean. And so now we'll see, after we put some fuel in it, whether we have a leak or not. So again, thanks for watching.